Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Colonial Shores Resort. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Located in Hampton Bays, 15 miles from Splish Splash, Colonial Shores Resort has accommodations with a seasonal outdoor swimming pool, free private parking, a garden and a terrace. Featuring family rooms, this property also provides guests with a playground. The property provides room service and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. At the motel, rooms have a closet, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. Rooms are equipped with a coffee machine, while certain rooms come with a kitchen with a microwave, a fridge and an oven. Montauk Point Lighthouse is 30 miles from Colonial Shores Resort, while Agawam Park is 9.3 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Francis S. Gabreski Airport, 10 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.